We've just acquired this BMW 1 Series diesel. It's the M Sport top of the range. It's absolutely fantastic condition. It's got the blacked out gloss, kidney front grille, M Sport double spoke alloy wheels. It's finished in absolutely gleaming black. Car does have Bluetooth. It has upgraded full leather seats, and they are heated seats. It's low mileage, only done 87,493 miles. 6-speed gearbox. It's quite rare with the leather interior. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.